Hey folks, for a lot of the valley, it's raining more now than it did all weekend. Much of the area stayed mainly dry. Now, seen some pretty good stuff up in the upper valley. Nothing heavy, but it's just that light to moderate rain that just makes it messy out there and makes it hard to even drive around because of all the spray from the cars in front of you. And some rain just offshore where it has been for the better part of the last 3 days. Just kind of churning. That's our low right there that's going to drift to the north over the next day or so. And as it does, eventually the biggest part of this rain chance will pass by to the north of us. But in the meantime, we've got this sitting just offshore, some rain right along the coast. Much of Cameron County, no big deal right now, but you get into Hidalgo County, and it's just kind of firing up right here in the southeast part of the county, and then moving off to the northwest. Again, none of it particularly heavy, but it's starting to add up. We've had another 0.2 of an inch just in the last hour and a half here at our studios. We're now at 25 inches of rain for the year, which is from January 1st to now, 25 inches, and that's more than we normally get in the entire 12 months. So we're now above average for the entire year of 2018. Future Track says there'll still be spotty showers overnight. Clouds for sure. I think tomorrow maybe there's a little bit less activity than what we've even seen today. And then Wednesday, maybe a little bit of a bump up again as a little more tropical moisture streams in. But by Thursday, that tropical moisture moves out. We see some breaks in the clouds. And alas, a symbol we haven't used in more than a week, the sunshine returns by Thursday. Probably a little bit Thursday, a little more Friday, and then the weekend looks mostly sunny. Now, the next couple of days, we're not looking at a lot of rain. Take a look. Future Track says the island may see another ½ an inch or more. This is through tomorrow evening, but everybody else still not seeing all that much beyond what you get this evening. And into Wednesday, just a little more, but not much. And even into Thursday, we don't see the totals going up all that much more. Now, the next 7 days, look at our rain chances. We go from 30% tomorrow, 50% on Wednesday when the tropical moisture gets added in from the Pacific, and then maybe early Thursday, something left over. But by daytime, it's probably gone. And we're dry after that all the way through the weekend into next week. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. Everybody's in the 60s overnight. Most of us will end up in the 50s. A 20% chance of overnight rain after we get through the stuff that's out there now. And then tomorrow, cloudy skies with spotty showers. Temperatures back in the upper 60s. Here's our temperature trends. And look, we go up, 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 up. We make it to 85 on Sunday. The normal is 86. Close, but not quite, but at least back in the 80s. Now, there's a lot of tropical moisture we're dealing with, a lot of it coming off the Pacific Ocean. Of course, we have Willa down there. We'll talk more about that in a second. Our low that's been right here for a week is finally showing signs of moving out, but it's going to take another day or two to do that. All that tropical moisture comes in, giving Texas a lot of rain on Wednesday. We're on the edge. We get a little. Most of it stays to our north again. And by Thursday, a little bit of sunshine. I think by Friday and Saturday, a lot of sunshine. One more little disturbance has to come through the flow, and then after that, we'll probably dry out. Here's a look at Willa in the Pacific Ocean. Well-defined eye, kind of got covered for a while, but it's still right there. It is a Category 4 storm right now. It was a 5, moving to the north at 8. But look at the expected landfall between San Blas and Mazatlan sometime during the afternoon tomorrow, probably as a Category 3. The mountains will just tear it apart once it gets in there, so all that will be left by the time it comes into Texas is just a big batch of rain, and the heaviest rain probably north of us. So tonight, 58, cloudy and cool, spotty drizzle, north-northwest winds. Tomorrow, only 67 for a high, still about 20 degrees below normal, breezy and cool with spotty showers. We work our way back up close to normal by the end of the forecast period. Rain chances taper off, some clouds early Thursday, sun by late in the day, still a few clouds on Friday. I think by Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we're mostly sunny. That puts temperatures back in the 80s. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.